I'm Sir Jardine from Lourdes School of Mandaluyong. So ano yung problema sa environment na nakikita ko? Para sa akin, tingin ko yung pagiging makalat ng mga tao din. Siguro aware tayo sa mga 3Rs, sa mga ganyan. Pero as individuals, hindi natin makita yung own responsibility natin as a member of the state or the environment. Siguro ang solution doon is talagang ma-realize natin na kailangan na natin talagang maging aware. Siguro sundan natin yung 3Rs, mag-segregate tayo, mag-recycle, mag-reuse. So it's not late. Kaya natin ito.
By cleaning the environment, I will tell my classmates to throw their trashes in the trash cans, and I will put also.
I am Alexander. Our problem is that it's too hot and a lot of trees are falling down. So my solution is that we start planting and caring of the environment. Hi, I am Rogelio Dumalang from Don Bosco Technical College, Mandaluyong for Barriara. Our problem is that there's plenty of flood when there's heavy rain. So my solution is to clean up our surroundings when there's a coming